of gas. I do need to buy some soap, some microfiber towels, and some other stuff. So let's get started, okay? Also, if you guys think I'm crazy, it's 41 degrees. It's cold, but I gotta get it done. Off to O'Reilly's we go. So I got my stuff. I got my microfiber towel, my McGuire soap right over there. So now we're gonna go put some gas because I'm on E, and then we're gonna go to the car wash. We're gonna go use the vacuums there. They're free. So we'll see you guys when I get there.
Tears I cried, kept them all inside. I needed time to make up my mind. Take me away, a million miles away from here. Take me away, find a place for you and me. You're taking me higher, highs on
once we get home, I gotta move some of the cars, and then I'll start washing the car. So it might take me a couple minutes. Also, it got warm now. It got warmer, so it's 43 now. Oh shit! What the fuck happened there? Probably like a shooting. I don't know. They gotta tape it off too. I hope I don't get caught using this. I don't want to get a fucking ticket. So there's a cop, and then there's a guy on, looks like a fucking investigation guy. That's weird, dude. What the fuck? That was weird.
Got those powers over me, those ones I need to keep from going under, from going under. Oh. to tell you, cast your spell on me and I.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna clean the windows inside out. I'm gonna wipe the exhaust tips, clean the rims and the mud flaps. And what I use is ammonia-free glass cleaner, Windex, whatever you want to use. So this is the one I use. So once we do all that, we're gonna wipe the inside, all the leather, all the plastic. Since my car is still brand new, I just use the Armor All wipes. That's pretty good enough for me. And once I'm done with all that, the last thing I do is I actually wax the car with a spray wax. I like using Turtle Wax because it's meant for black cars, this exact one, and also it's always had good results with it. So I highly recommend it for black cars. Turtle Wax, please sponsor me. That'd be great. I spend so much money on this, or their products actually. So yeah, so let's get to it. Alright, she's all done. That's pretty much all for today. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.